Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. This time, as you can see, we are not messing with the Jeep today. Unfortunately, my Jeep is at the mechanics. We are here not for the Jeep, but we are here to do a quick review, something that I don't do, but I figured I'd do, simply because I enjoyed this little tool here. This is going to be for the Milwaukee FUEL pneumatic Ratchet, model number 2558-20. Now this one I actually did not buy new. I bought it secondhand through eBay. It was a very good deal. I couldn't pass it up. This one did come with a M12 red lithium XC 4.0 battery. I do love the Milwaukee tools. As you can see, I have the impact gun, one of the big boys here, 1/2 inch with the XC 5.0. I love this one. This is definitely my go-to. No more of that breaker bars. I just use this to remove anything that's being held on tight. Love Milwaukee. Milwaukee states that it has up to 60 foot-pounds of max torque. We'll try to see if we can replicate that today. And I believe 175 RPMs is what this maxes out at. I know since then they have some new models that just came out, the high-speed ones, the high-speed ratchets, but they only go up to 3/8. Definitely will try to get my hands on that one for sure. But yeah, today simply just wanted to do a quick review, let you guys know or show you guys how it works. I'm gonna try and torque this down as much as I can without having this flex on me as much. But this is a nylon lock and nut, as you can see, hopefully. And I'm gonna try and torque it down, you know, close to the 60 foot-pounds that it claims it's capable of doing. We're gonna go ahead and tighten this down as much as I can with the torque wrench. Milwaukee claims that this cordless ratchet, 1/2 inch, has up to 60 foot-pounds of ratchet and torque. So we're gonna go ahead and test that out and see if that is correct, if the tools that I have even allow me to replicate that. Okay, so I'm gonna tighten this down with the ratchet for now. I'm gonna snug it down and then I'm gonna torque it. I'll probably start off at like 10 foot-pounds and work my way up and see how it does from there. You know, I must say that this tool right here is kind of torquey, where if you're not careful enough, it could jump off your hand. So just be aware of that. Alright, so I'm gonna just leave it there. Also, just want to point out, I have 4 bars, so it's a fully charged battery. Go ahead and, like I said, I'm gonna torque it down. Right now I have it at 10 foot-pounds. So we're gonna start off there. It's gonna be the base number, 10 foot-pounds, and we're just gonna see how it does. Okay. So should put it in reverse. See what happens. All right, so 10 foot-pounds. All right, so let's go ahead and bump that up a little bit, shall we? Let's go up to, let's do 20. Okay. And for those you guys want to see, or hopefully you can see, that is 20 foot-pounds. That's 20 foot-pounds right there. Alright, so 20 foot-pounds. That was easy. Okay. Alright, so if that was 20, let's do 25. So that was 25 there. So it's 25 foot-pounds. Let's go ahead and see if this can take that off. All right, it's 25. Let's do 35. If it even allows me. Alright, so that's 35 foot-pounds. Still have a full bar. Alright, no problem there, 35 foot-pounds. Let's move up to 40. Alright, so that's 40, guys. Alright, so stopped at 40. Oh, guess not. Alright, so 40 kind of gave us an issue, right? Let's go ahead and see if we could do 45. Okay. Fingers crossed. So that's 45 foot-pounds. Oh yeah, 45 foot-pounds. No problem. So as you can see, if you're not careful, it's pretty torquey. So it could get away from you. Alright, so that was 45. Let's just move it up to 50. Okay. Supposedly that's 50. Let's go ahead and see. Okay. So it got 50. I know for sure I won't be able to tighten this down to 55 or 60. But as you can see from what I just did, from 10 foot-pounds, worked it up all the way up to 50 foot-pounds. This tool definitely has some good torque, and I'm actually very happy that I was able to get a hold of this particular tool. Something that I've been eyeing for quite some time, you know, and I'm glad one random day I went on eBay and I seen it was a used one, you know, and from the pictures it looked, you know, like it was barely even used. And I mean, you could see for yourself, it might have a little scratch here at most. That's about it. There's really nothing else wrong with it. It works perfect. I could tell it has not been abused. It came with a 4.0 battery, which I believe this particular model is just a bare tool. Overall, man, this is a great tool to have in your tool bag. You know, it's not going to remove a tire. It doesn't have that capability, but I believe it will definitely make my life easier whenever I'm working in tight spaces and I don't want to go ahead and use a regular ratchet. But guys, that's pretty much it. You know, I thank you for tuning in for this quick video, this little quick review. on the M12 cordless ratchet from Milwaukee. This is the fuel model, and this, I believe, is technically the Gen 2, and I love it, and you guys should definitely buy one for sure. Alright guys, until next time, take care. Peace.